Hello, you can call me Umpilo wasemhlengikazi. Today sizobe sidiscussa topic regarding ukuxhumana kwakho nesithunywa okanye ukuxhumana kwakho nomoya. Ukuthi iziphi izinto ongazenza. So into esingayenza noma esizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje iyodwa kwizinto ongazenza. And then I'm gonna do follow-up videos regarding nokunye because I do not want to mix izinto eziningi kwi-video yodwa because vele ibe yinde you lose interest and then ugcina usuphuthelwa umyalezo obalulekile. So the very first topic, ukufasta. I did mention indaba yokufasta in my previous videos, but ngizayise ngingene ngijulisise ukuthi ukufasta kahle kahle kubaluleke kangakanani. And ngicela sikubeke emqondweni ukuthi ukufasta it doesn't necessarily have to be into eyodwa. Akumelanga uze kube ukuthi ukudla kuphela. Take something that you regularly do oyenza regularly, and then mase uthi ngiyazi namhlanje noma for insuku ey'ngaka ngizoyeka leyo nto. That is still you ufast. Kahle fasting is all about ukusacrifice and uncisha inyama yakho leyo nto leyo wena uyitsho ukuthi udepende kuyona. So take for instance mhlawumbe umuntu addicted to something, whether ushukela okanye ezinye izinto, but you just give yourself leyo nto leyo ukuthi yazi ukuthini ngiyama la for insuku ey'ngaka. I'm standing into ukuthi I'm sacrificing myself from into ukuthi noma I'm sacrificing this craving noma this dependence because udependile kuyona leyo nto leyo. That is how nanokudla futhi ongena ngayo. Yes, baby. That is how nanokudla futhi ongena ngayo. So ngiyazazi ukuthi ngumuntu okhuluma kakhulu, so lapha ngami khona ibhuku whereby I wrote amano ngiphuma eceleni ngenzela ukuthi ngikwazi ukusheshe ngibuye because there's a lot of information guys kamoya and it's easy ukuthi umqondo wakho ugcine uthi usabalala and everything like that. So first things first, let's understand umoya. In my other videos khona la ngithe ngathi ukuthi kancane ngomoya, so each time vele umoya awuqedi ukufunda, uhlezi ufunda, uhlezi ufind out, and indlela esifind out ngayo zihlukile. So there are baselines kodwa and there are common things and then when you grow from there okanye nawe in your journey uhamba uhlangana nayo noma sewahlangana nayo noma ukuyona noma usazohlangana nayo, and indlela esibe apply ngayo izinto just in case mhlawumbe ufuna ukwazi mhlawumbe ukuthi ngiyaqala kephi noma ngibheka kephi. And in some forms it's really nice ukuthi uzwe enye ijourney noma indlela omunye umuntu akhona ngayo yena ukufinyelela endaweni ukuthi because ezinye izinto uyarelate kuzona and ezinye izinto uyabona ukuthi awukho wedwa kuleyo nto. And that is why I suggest you can comment noma inini and share each other's journeys okanye anything nje u-interacta kwethu kuyasiza kuyagqugquzelana and stuff like that. So ngizohlala ngibuke phansi ngiyazi lento izothi step up, but yes. So qala njengoba ngisho ukufasta is all about sacrifice. Yeah, sacrificing leyo nto leyo uyayinikeza that dedication leyo nalo sacrificing yakho leyo ikwazi ukunikeza umoya wakho nomzimba wakho i-direction ukuthi okay, what I'm focusing on now is 1 or 2 3, because we have to understand something ukuthi umoya wazi yonke into. Saying I mentioned lento lena before and I'm mentioning it again ukuthi umoya wazi yonke into mase kusala inyama. So ukufasta wakho is you getting access to leyo nto leyo, you trying to get access to leyo nto leyo, uzama ukugcilaza umzimba, uzama ukugcilaza inyama ukuze uzokwazi ukulalela kahle umoya wakho. So basically it is you ufunza umoya wakho ngaleso sikhathi because uhlezi udla, right, uhlezi uyifunza inyama yakho, but when do you get ithuba lokuthi wena ufunze owakho umoya? Because there is where meditation also comes in, but I'm not going to include that kule topic le. I'm going to do a separate video regarding meditation nokubaluleka kwayo. Singathithi indaba zesingisi because sometimes ezinye izinto esayibiza ngesilungu sesiyithatha kancane noma siyigximanisi nathi at all. That is another thing about umoya. Ayikho i-limit, ayikho i-boundary. Once wakhona ukuhlukanisa ukuthi there is umoya, there is usiko, there is ukholo lwakho. Once wazi ukuhlukanisa lezo zinto lezo, then usharp uzokhona ukudlula to other levels, to ezinye izinto empilweni yakho. Ngeze ulokhana ustakile entweni yodwa, ngeze uhlezi unenkinga eyodwa, uzohlezi udinga abanye abantu, uzohlezi udinga abelaphi ukuthi bakhona ukuzosiza. Ezinye izinto siyakwazi ukuyilapha zona thina. It's just that why sikwazi ukuyilapha khona thina because ezinye izinto siyivimbe thina nemqondo yethu na way of thinking ukuthi sesiyavimba umoya ukuthi umoya ngakhona ufinyelela kuthina ngale ndlela le wona uzikhuleke ngawo to ufike. But njengoba ngisho say futhi ngamention in my other video ukuthi vele at the starting point of your journey umoya wakho ngozube nankinga ukuthi wena ukholela ini. But as soon as you grow kamoya, as soon as umoya usuqala ukwambulela izinto eziningi, in order for you to fully understand and grasp the information leyo umoya wakho usukusendela yona, you need to let go of some things. You need to let go of some beliefs. Ufike nokwakho okuhambisana nawe nalokhu umoya wena usukwambulele kona. So if wena uzostick entweni ukuthi mina ngikholelwa entweni ukuthi ngikholelwa entweni ukuthi uzovimba umoya wakho ukuthi uqhubekise to another stage. So hlezi ustick ku stage so because you are putting a boundary. Okay, sengicishe abo sengaqala singale but sila. So umoya kahle usuke wazi yini into lesithi umoya wazi. For one bala nje izinto ezimbalwa. For one umoya wakho uyazi uma under attack, umoya wakho uyazi uma uthakathwa. That is why the time uzophupha uphuphe amaphupho atshengisa indaba zezichitho, indaba zokuthakathwa, indaba yenhlanhla and everything like that, because umoya wakho has access to leyo nto leyo kamoya, and then mase izama ukulethela yona wena in terms of amaphupho. So sekonakelwa ngempela if amaphupho akho usuwakhohlwa noma uthi wena awuphuphi inhlobo, ayikho umuntu ongaphuphi inhlobo, because uma silala siyahamba siye kamoya. That is the only time whereby sinezwe umoya wethu ithuba. Yabo kancane kanjani. And worst part, you are not even conscious of what is happening, therefore a lot of information is left kamoya. Musufika kule dimension le yakho yenyama sokhona iblock eseyenzakalayo. So you fasting, leo block leo usuzama ukuyikhipha, leo block leo uzama ukueliminate, okanye uzama ukulimit. Not really eliminate, because if you say eliminator, I feel like you're on another level straight. Yeah, but what I'm saying is that ukufasta kusiza kuleyo nto leyo. So enye into futhi uthi umoya wakho hlezi wazi ukuthi ushiwa igazi, uzizushawa uvalo. That is umoya wakho une access to the future, because once ufika kamoya, there's a lot of things that happen. Yonke into yenza kamoya basically, yonke into iqala kamoya and then it manifest physically. So if kuzoba khona ingozi ethile, noma uzovakashela usibambano kade uyamgcina, noma nje something nje kodwa ezobushintsha state sakho, umoya wakho already knows, and umoya wakho tries by all means ukuthi zama ukufinyelela to your physical body, ineza ama symptoms for you to be alert ukuthi hayibo nakho kuzowenza kuba no 2 izokwehlela ngezathu zokuphatheka buzokhala. And for me that's always true. Hleli zoba kanjalo ngaphezulu and everything like that, uvala ukushiwa ugazi and then something bad okanye into zokukhupha umoya happens. Yabo, that is umoya wakho uhlezi wazi. That means you, because you know umoya wakho ngithi, you always know that. But manje it's just a matter of fact ukuthi wena ukwazi ukufinyelela kuleyo nto leyo. So fasting really helps ngaleyo nto leyo. So umoya wakho has access to yonke into kamoya, and it also has access to your past lives. That is a very difficult topic, no, a very serious topic in our past lives, because not all of us believe in London, but mina, I believe in London, which we have past lives, say sapila before and everything like that. And if umhlampunga relate in our past lives, think about amadlo zakho. Noma think about it zakho nedala zakho that have lived before, and afuna ukudlulisela information ethile. For umuntu omoya and wangena nesidala, mhlawumbe sithi isidala sifuna usebenza through wena, sinikeza umsebenzi and everything like that, sizonginikeza i-information le yena aseye afinyelela kuyona. So for you ukuthi ukwazi uyigrasp le information leyo, it's like having an understanding of your past life, because now usengene kuwena, you are living through he or she is living through wena, noma lo moya is now living through wena, okanye senibambisene kamoya, okanye wena usunezi access from time to time ukuthi akhona ukusharisha leyo information leyo. That information le hlezi hlala download, that's the information and knowledge you got from your past life, okanye from a life of one of your ancestors le afisuka isharisha nayo regarding amagedla, imithi and everything like that. Leyo mithi leyo wayifunda ngesikhathi sakhe, wahamba wayehlani wakusebenza wenza yonke into, now usezopassa on that information to you. Yes baby, at some point we do not have leyo access le because inyama yethu ibuthakathaka. So now the access leyo isivalile phambi amehlo ethu. We need to bear in mind, guys, there's a lot of things that you know. There's a lot of things that we know how to do, but we just do not consciously know. So subconscious mind it creates a lot of things. Like for instance, usofika udlule ngamehlo awuyiboni into ethile but uyayibona, ubone ukuthi into ethile phezu kombhede but ubungabheki yona. And then mase usuhleli kusofa usuyifuna leyo nto, you remember ukuthi into ethile iphezu kombhede, even though you weren't looking for leyo nto leyo. So your subconscious mind yakho captured that moment ayibeka just in case you need it ekulonto njanini ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. So subconscious mind yethu iyasiqukethela without us being aware of kona leyo nto leyo. So it's a matter of you accessing low subconscious mind yakho. We-accessa kanjani na? Because usually we accessa kakhulu if your body is at rest, if your body is not angazi ngizochaza ngithini, if body yakho, your physical body is not realizing your body, your soul, yabo. If nje kukanjalo ukuthi noma awuqilazi but if ingayibambeleli endaweni eyodwa, yabo le nto engizama ukisho. But yeah, so umoya never sleeps. Njengisho umoya wazi yonke into, umoya never sleeps. It's just that during the day uqilazwa izinto eziningi, the conditioning, zonke lezo lezi ezenzakalayo emini the time sibhekile, umoya usually cannot really reach us. Even though we reach umoya wethu, but inyama yethu is so focused ngale ndlela ukuthi it's blocking everything ngamoya, and you are just focused enyameni. Yonke into esiyenzayo iyagqilaza umoya wethu, yonke into from uvuka ekuseni. So basically umoya never sleeps. Umoya never sleeps, but umoya is most awake when inyama yakho is at rest. Not asleep, but at rest. At rest meaning inyama yakho ithuli, not thuli dead, but inyama yakho nje ithuli is at rest. Awulokhana ucabanga izinto eziningi, you are not moving indlela stressful, you are just resting. That's whereby umoya wakho usuyaqala-ke wona uzizwe ngathi usuyaqala uyakhululeka, usuyaqala manje. There are pictures, there are images zalodayo and everything like that. But we'll get to the topic one day, and I'm gonna get to the topic under a video for a meditation. So indaba yokufasta basically is you unikeza umoya wakho your time of the day okanye your time of the week okanye in, but it's just nikeza umoya wakho esikhathini nethuba. Because now remember, seziningi izinto emhlabeni ezingcolisa inyama yethu, eziningi izinto emhlabeni esezigqilaza umoya wethu ukuthi singawunakwane ibe blocked from thina. There are too many things eziconditionayo, a lot of things. Because now remember, if sizokhompilisha isikhathi samanje nesikhathi sasendulo, abantu basendulo were so immersed and focused kule nto abayenzayo in such a way that even umoya uzofinyelela kubona bawuthola automatically. Right now sesigqilaza izinto esiyidlayo, they are so processed ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi sidla even uplastic, but angikho lapho. But into engisho ukuthi izinto esiyidlayo eziningi sezi-fake, and asisanikezi umzimba wethu nomoya wethu the nutrition they need, nutrient yonke ayisekho kahle hle. But if uzobheka even the things we do asisekho as naturally based as abantu abasendulo. We are not elemental anymore, because now if we were to compare isikhathi samanje nesikhathi sasendulo, remember endulo bebezorawunda umlilo behlale around 5, they would sing and everything like that. That is why I'm not sure if for everyone, but me now for my journey, there was a point in time lapo ikhehla lami okanye like those male ancestors lawa asendulo and everything like that, they required me ukuthi ngiwubase umlilo and sing around the fire because gonna lokho kuyabajabulisa. You see what I mean? Khona lento lena thina sisingasazenzi sometimes idaba zethu noma wethu ezidingayo just because imizimba yethu izinto sizenzayo sezi so foreign noma sezikude ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi sesiqhele kakhulu nale ndawo esiconnecta kuyona, sesiqhele kakhulu ney'mpande zethu nama-roots wethu. Abantu omama kusema bevuka early in the mornings bahambe baye entabeni, bahambe baye emfuleni, bebegeza emfuleni and everything like that. So they got izinto straight from nature, izinto thina lezi thina manje esithatha maybe one day ngenyanga okanye once a year uthi uhambe ungene emanzini. Into bona beyenza each and every single day, and they knew imfihlo yamanzi. They knew ukubaluleka kwamanzi and how amanzi heals the body and the soul. And when you only heal your soul and the body once a month, once a year, and then you expect ukuthi umakho uzofinyelela kanjalo kuyena, fanele sihlahla sibe sizenza izinto ababezenza bona endulo. Excuse me, lesomkhuhlane I think, but yonke into fanele sihlala siyikhumbuze i-roots yethu, ikhumbuze into sethu ukuthi sikwazi ukwenza umoya wethu and connect now, because once we connect with nature, once we connect with ama-elements, that is whereby nathi siphakamisa umoya wethu, si-remind ukuthi now is still part of our daily lives. So fasting is just giving umoya bakho that chance, that opportunity, and you will not regret it. So babehamba bemanzini, they'll go hunting and babedla kahle. As I was saying, indaba yokuthi sisidla noma izinto eziningi sezi-too processed ngale ndlela yokuthi umsoco lo usudinga awusekho at all. Izinto eziningi seziyi-fake. That is why sizosheshe siguge. Izinto esiningi asisakhona ukuzenza njengabantu abadala. Amathambo yonke into yethu seyasheshe ubhidlika ngenxa ukuthi sesisakhavele ngama-blocks a-week. Yabo? So you fasting is just you giving, maybe like resetting your foundation so that the time so kahle ama-blocks akho kuthi at least kuba stable because the foundation is right, even though sakha ama-blocks a-week, but singaphuma off topic. Okay, and remember the time they did those things, they went hunting, they sat around the campfire, they connected, they had joy, they had peace. Ubona the time okay sizohamba endaweni noma nawo ke siphela lokugesi, listen onisikhandlela akazona ukuthi i-TV imeyicinyiwe, hayi ngwana kukuthanda but kuphoqelekile. The conversations lawa qhamukayo lapho, the love, the laughter enithola le point leyo. Ngiyabona ukuthi izinto esizikhona emhlabeni, the way that umhlaba sesiconditionwe ngakhona, okuningi sesayiphuca kona thina. The joy, that pure joy, that pure love, ukuthola nje ukuthi usuku lomntana kulihambe kanjani osukwini, ngabe uthola ngoba ugesi awuhambanga. But nje it just reminds us ukuthi sinomndeni, we have our loved ones and everything like that. Once lonto leyo yasuka phambi amehlo ethu. But if bowukhona lokho noma kusakhona, umunye uzobuya ahambe nakinto yakhe agibele stairs ahambe ekamereni akayivalele nakifoni, umama nakufoni, umbaba, everything nje. Wonke umuntu nje uyiphela impilo yakhe. We are so sesidiswe izinto ezi-physical. We are being distracted by izinto ezi-materialistic, and lonto leyo is not good for us. Sesihlezi si-busy, we are always on a mission. Umqondo wethu uhlezi ucabanga izinto eziningi. And umoya uzofika kanjani kuwena vele kuphithene? Uma uzofika kanjani usicabanga inkinga namhlanje noma usaphi usenzela usibanibane, busy. And then umoya. So you fasting uyahlahlela ikhumbuza ukuthi niwazini angiphileli inyama, ngiphilela umoya. Once sikufaka la emqondweni ukuthi asiphilele inyama, siphilela umoya. Yes, you can have fun here and there, but iba aware ukuthi unomoya. Iba aware ukuthi your soul and your spirit needs as much attention as you give your physical body. So if usizofast, my benefits of fast, why sizofast, kuzisiza ngani ukufast? Besides labo uzoxhumana nomoya, uyakwazi ukunqoba izimpi kamoya. Uyakwazi ucommunicate nomoya and amaphupho akho ayacaca. Please trust me, you once wafast mhlawumbe one day, wafast 2 days, 3 days, amaphupho akho they are so clear ngale ndlela leyisimanga. Like abevinjwe yini le bivimbile ukuthi amaphupho akho akhona ungena kahle, but amaphupho akho abe right. Manje amaphupho akho manje se-right ngenxa ukuthi fasting. You see ukuthi just try that. Try faster. It cannot be like ungaforce, ungagijimi. Ungathi ungakazi ufast and then you just go ukuthi uzoshaya 3 days. Yes my baby. Ungathi uthi uqala nje kusuyagijima uzoshaya 3 days. Uzoshayeka. Kunzima ukufasta ngokuqala. Kunzima ukufasta and especially if kuyinto ongayijwayele ungazi uzame before. So I suggest 6 to 6. Noma take out nje that one thing le wena uthi wena uyayithanda kakhulu vele uthi nje ngiyayeka for the whole week. Like I feel like that's easier if leyo nto leyo ungayithandisisa kakhulu, but just take into uyithandisisa kakhulu uthi uyayikhatha for 1 week, and then uhamba isikhathi. It just depends on your dedication, but just bear in mind ukuthi once waqopha, okay, but please just bear in mind ukuthi if uzobeka ukuthi ngizoqala i-fast yami ngalesikhathi sokuthi ngivale ngesikhathi sokuthi, stick to that. Alokhu udidisa umoya ney'dalwa zakho sey'thembele kuleyo fasting ukuthi right, asenizeni isikhathi umoya wakho uze ukhule ngalo ndlela, noma uyithole into oyifunayo khona sizofika sizonikeza umyalezo. Wena uthe 3 to 3 sukuthi ngo-2 usakwazi ukuyibamba usuyadla, kanti umoya wakho uzofika ngo-past 2 wakuphutha umoya. Yabona into engishoyo? Mbika ukuthi no, ngizofasta iy'nsuku ey'ngaka noma ngizofasta ischedule sami sizohamba kanje. Let umoya know. Angifuni mama, there was a point where ngisengathi ngathi ngiyafasta khona ngase ngagijima, ngifuna ukufasta iy'nsuku ey'ngaka, ngagqilazeka, ngabreak apha nendawo. Unembezi wangishaya emva lokho, ngaze ngayiphanisha ekuthenini the following fast I did was more than lezi nsuku engiyibekele zona ekuqaleni, and ngakhona ukunqoba kahle. So another thing is ungabi nama-expectations when you fast. Unga-expected growth at the same time. Abanye nje bayasheshe ukuthi ngenxa umoya wakho mhlampe waited for that opportunity, but trust me, khona into ezophuma nge-fasting yakho, khona into e-beneficial ezophuma nge-fasting yakho. It's just a matter of you ukuthi ube aware ngalokho okwenzakalile. Your dreams will be clear. Uzonqoba izimpi kamoya, because remember ukuthi umoya wakho uhlezi ukulwela. You see, never had that feeling la uzovuka khona ekuseni uzathi ukhathele engathi awakazi ulala wena, because umoya wakho was in a war wena ungazi, and ugcinazeka more if wena unconscious, even noma usulele awusayi wena ukho alert la ulala uzwike impela nawe. Ulala izwike impela nawe, and then yonke into yakho usulele nje, usulele wampela even nakamoya. Umoya wakho usulwa wodwa lapha, ugcilaza wena, ugcilaza umoya wakho, ugcilaza ney'dalwa zakho. Help umoya wakho, nikeza amandla lapho udinga khona. That is whereby ukufasta kungena ngakhona. So njengoba ngishinda bokufasta, start slow, ungatsheli umuntu. Try not to tell anyone, because I'm trusting me. Kuzoba khona ama-temptations. Baningi abantu abazokulinga, noma ziningi ekhaya kuvele kuphekwe kamnandi-ke, vele ube nenkinga kakhulu-ke. But noma bethu abazi noma bazi, akazona ukuthi once you are about to do something enhle noma khona ethile kamoya that you have to do follow up kuyona, there's always this negative energy ezofika ibambelele ikumise in one place. Yes baby, there's always this one negative energy noma this negative energy ezokumisa in one place, ezovimbezela ukuphumelela kwakho. That is actually still umoya testing ukuthi uyimiseleni nganto lo ufuna ukuyithatha ngempela, especially if lento ozobuyenziwa nomphumela omuhle kakhulu. You'll find a lot of blockages whereby wena uzomela unqobe bona, and sinqoba izinto ey'ningi kamoya if nathi umoya wethu siwunikeza the right tools. So fasting is just a tool for umoya wakho ukuthi ukwazi ukunqoba izinto ey'ningi. So njengishilo, I'm gonna do another video on indaba yelo yokumeditate and stuff like that. And please, another thing ukuthi uma usuzolala noma uthiwa ufasta ngakhe, but ungathi uqeda ukudla usuyalala. Qeda ukudla wena gibeni embhedeni, ngiyazi that's a nice feeling, ngathi usuqeda ukudla afu ngavele unabe ulale kumnandi. But yes baby, but no, akukho right lokho. Uma ususugqilazekile, ungathi futhi uthi uma ulala usucabanga izinto ey'ningi emqondweni, uzumeka nje ngicabanga izinto ey'ningi. Uzophupha lezo y'nkinga zakho ey'ningi oyicabangayo. Uzophupha kona lokho kudla, ugcine udla usuyadliswa manje emaphupheni ngenxa yokuthi uthanda ukudla wena. Ngiyadlala. But into engishoyo ukuthi asizameni ukuthi silale singasuthi. That way sithola ukuthi inyama yethu ayisindi ukuthi singazicindezele umoya. Inyama yakho ingasindi ukudlula umoya, because khona uzocindezeleka. So if inyama isisinda kakhulu, umoya wakho uyacindezeleka. So try to avoid that. If usucabanga izinto ey'ningi, sonke sinenkinga. It's sense, it's amazing, and it's very hard ukuthi ungayicabangi inkinga zakho, yes, but try not to. Try ukuthi ungalali ucabange ngey'nkinga uzuzumeke kuzona, uzophinde uvuke uy'cabange nje, because ngisho ukuthi during the day we are always thinking, we are always busy sicabanga zona iy'nkinga, noma sesiyolala sicabanga iy'nkinga. So let's try, as I mean. So I'm gonna do a follow-up video. Thank you for watching thus far.